Hello, I'd just like to show you a little bit in the back office of the wealth sponsoring system. I've started on the home page. This is where you will go as soon as you will be signed in. We have advertising resources and money saving resources. As you can see here, there's downloads for Paint.net, which is a free graphics program. Terrific, I use that for all my website graphics. Low cost is Corel Paint Shop. That is a low cost program, but there is a charge for it. Images, links for images for your websites. GIMP software. OpenOffice, which is a free software, reads, writes all Microsoft Office files, runs on Windows, Mac and Linux. Lotus Symphony, which is another free Office resource. Audacity, which is creating and editing audio software. Cam Studio, which is what I'm using now to record this screen capture. FLV Producer, that's to edit and convert videos. Video Splitter, which can be used for Cam Studio videos. And a multimedia trimmer, and a keywords resource. Now all of these, to an extent except for Corel, are free. Then we go on to our training resources page. Have to excuse me at the moment, I have a bit of a cold. Here we have basic marketing training, creating graphics and finding images, writing ads, social media, personal branding, working with audio and working with video. Now there isn't just one video to train you on one subject within here. There's several that cover several types of working with audio, several programs for editing, producing, uploading to YouTube, everything you need to train you for that sort of marketing work. Intermediate marketing, these are a bit more in depth. I've used some of these. I like article marketing through eZine, direct mail marketing, Craigslist marketing. This advanced marketing, I haven't used a lot of these, I must admit, because they're mostly paid to advertise resources, and I'm doing quite well without spending money at the moment. Tools is your chat lines, forums, connect with other members of wealth sponsoring. Build your website is that's the most important thing to me in the whole system. Here we have 3 pages created for you by the wealth sponsoring system to advertise and resell the system. One resell gets you your whole registration fee back in one go, plus a residue income. As you can see here, you can put in a page title and create a new web page, or you can create from a template. There's quite a good selection of templates here. Here you can view the websites. Here is to edit websites. Naturally these ones are uneditable, and here is where you would download and save your website to a zip file to, if you wish to transport it to another hosting company, but there is no real need because they're all hosted within this wealth sponsoring system. These are sites I've created myself. The bottom 2 are 2 different ways of advertising the wealth sponsoring system. They have this link here where you can create a pop-up message or a redirect to another URL. That would cost you a fair bit of money to add to any site. I'm going to bring up this site to show you the editing and creating values within here. Now the best thing within here, I mean, you have everything in here to create your site, copy and paste, add backgrounds, create new tables, la la la. All the training is there for you to do it, but this is a new edition FX, and this again would cost you a lot of money to buy. I'm going to leave most of the settings as are. On a loop animation, I could put a background image. I'm going to make it transparent, and I'll leave the size as is. Now here is where you create your slide, which I'm just going to say test 3 times, and then I will choose my font and my size. My font color, so we'll go for red so it's easily seen. Animate individual characters. Fade in, we might go for blur in and grow blur out. Okay, we seem to have all the basics set there, so we'll preview. And this is what it would look like if you put it into your web page. Now here you have the HTML code so that you can copy that and use it later, maybe in another website. I will cancel that, I don't really want that in my web page. So as you can see, there's a pretty good resources within there. This video shows you, before you begin, some basics on building a website, building with templates and building your own site, and article editor where you can write articles and add them to your web pages. Tasks is just so you can set yourself tasks and the system will give you a reminder. Back office is where you will find your resources such as your profile and settings, prospects and affiliate team, affiliate area settings, which will give you your banners and links and web page links, and your website tracking statistics. I think that's covered most of the basics of the inside of Wealth Sponsoring. I thought it was necessary to show you this because I just think it's a wonderful system. For the price, you would not find it anywhere else.